Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh, code spaces. Thank you for following. No, code space. Wait a moment. Okay, yeah. Hi. So, today we're gonna continue the work on ECS. Oh, fucking hell. Right. We're gonna continue the work on ECS. I'm not quite sure what exactly I'm doing, or what exactly I'm going to be doing today. But, we'll implement third. We'll implement first and then design later. It's fine. What? Good. I need to adjust this. As they saying, make it work, make it work, make it hard, make it fast. Make it work, make it hard, make it fast. So, yeah. We are on the make it work part. And honestly, I'm not even sure about the specifications we need to have and the whole design of the system. Because I want to go for a Unity-like approach. For but basically coming Unity. It's like that sort of just what I know. That. But we'll see. Okay. Does this affect this? No. Okay. I'm gonna increase this a bit and decrease this. Okay. Now the levels should be a bit better. I hope. I love you, images. Thank you. I use them to thought out the space where the chat goes. So I should probably work the chat early thing. It also shows the place where I go. Yeah, I right here. Here. Next to the code. Next to the code and right in the chat. There is also some music description down there. Right. So Nova. Right. Let me go find Nova. Nova. Okay. There is Nova. Nova, say hi. Your adorable little fluff ball. Nova. Isn't she cute? She's so adorable. So fluffy. Yeah. So fluffy. Okay, you can go. And now she decided to just link them on my lap. Okay. No, not her. Her. She's so adorable. Okay, so where have I left off last time? Right, think better take a break first. Never pray to. Never. Never. Ow. Never. Ow. No, you. Yes. No, it's time to go in for attack. Right. You go right here. You can see her down there. Yeah. There she is. And she. Oh, I see. Yep, she's gone. Thank you for following. Ili meaning. If you want me, if I pronounce that incorrectly, please do correct me. What is that, Lenarvim? But I am using the Visual Studio Code, a base thing. But as you can see, I'm using it for my whole setup. I had to modify one of the things I found along. But yeah, it is pretty spot on. I think I actually took the colors from the original thing. Okay, so what was I battling against? So let's start some tests. Wing tests. We have here get all components test. They are all running. This is great. That's great. That is great. But we need more tests. I'm gonna add this. We can also So now that we have, I think, implement all the major parts of the system, we need to test the system as both as a consumer of this library. So, or rather, a consumer of the system. So, we are going to be implementing more components. So, here we have a basic transform component. As you can see, it's pretty basic. It's just does a thing. It just does a thing. It just basically have one function and yeah, and just stores the values. Do you game on Linux? Yes, I do. I've been exclusively on Linux for what? 9 months, I think already. A bit more probably. And yeah, again, also exclusively on Linux. Right. So we need a component. We need to manage our rendering system. So how are we gonna do this? We can either have a component which contains entirety of the rendering system properties. I mean the model thing. Okay, so I got an idea. Thank you for the sip. So we are gonna have our mesh component. It's gonna have a public structure, mesh, and we need to include it in the hierarchy. And we implement component for mesh. And the missing members. Okay, so now this is the point where it becomes complicated. So here we will basically return in an empty thing. We won't do anything in update. Nothing on awake. Nothing on destruction. And here we need to implement boilerplate. By the way, I have tried to implement this boilerplate automatically, but sadly it didn't work for me. When I tried to implement it in the thing, in the trade declaration, I just got a bunch of weird errors. Basically, which have to do with trade bounds. Yeah, because that it doesn't have any information about the data implemented for, and therefore it has to generalize. Hi Emily. Hi. Hope you are doing great this Wednesday. So now, for now we are going to go with a simple implementation of the mesh, where we will just have a thing. Yes, we will have a thing. Implement mesh. So, first function, we need to set the action mesh of the mesh. I know it's a bit confusing, but here the mesh is the component, and the mesh that we are going to be setting is the object mesh. So, function set. Let's actually set null, and it takes in a immutable reference to self and a mesh. I think it can go right. Structures. Model. Mesh. There it is. Oh shit. So here we run into the problem. One thing. So, because to obviously render a thing, we will require we need not only one component, but multiple components. Therefore, we must have a system for declaring the needed components. Which is, I mean, sure. Okay. Oh, and that's that. By reference. So we need to define the component trait and add a function fn get required components. Sadly, we are unable to manually implement all of those components. I don't think we can add all of those components. Actually, no, we cannot, because I mean, we can actually we can do that. Because yes. So what we are gonna do? We are gonna have get required. Actually, no. Yes. Get required components, and it doesn't need a self. What are you complaining about? Excuse me? Oh, for fuck's sake. Dong. Here, think yourself out. Oh. This should return in. This should return in a slice of then components. Which are boxed, of course. Then we'll figure it out. So it turns nothing. And I cannot do this because sure. Let's try written in a reference. Okay. Rust is powerful language, isn't it? Isn't it also interpreted language like Python, or is it not? Not that the performance is close to C++. Even, I just wonder why you choose Rust to code. The engine probably collapses with that, and you must do everything from scratch, right? So, no, Rust is actually a compiled language, and it is actually faster than C++. Language speed comparison. I have no idea if this is accurate or not. But I remember, anyways, I remember it being fast, like as fast, if not faster than C. And obviously in C you can mess up in a million different ways. You can shoot her foot at any point while programming, which is just impossible to do in Rust. But not impossible. Rust just eliminates a whole class of bugs. But yes, compile language, it's low level like C++. I mean, yes, as Alice said, it doesn't matter whether the language compiled or interpreted, but Rust is, well, allows you both high level functions, and just the feel of a high level language, of a modern language. But if you really want to experience some pain, you can dive pretty deep into the low level stuff. So yeah. Okay. Oh, my voice is just, ouch. Actually, it's not, it's not bad. So, the reason I use Rust is because it's just so awesome. Like, because, as I said, Rust eliminates a whole class of bugs. There are a ton less runtime errors in Rust, and also, sorry. It's basically just things to code in. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, I do use C++ for work currently, which will hopefully change soon. But it will change soon, anyways. And just after coding in C++, just going home and doing Rust just feels like a breath of fresh air. Oh, also, you don't have to worry about memory management without being overhead of a garbage collector. So, of course, then you have the bar checker. And the bar checker is one hell of a son of a bitch. It's a fucking nightmare sometimes. But it's there for the good. Anyways, yeah. What do you own Rust, Ethan? You can put it to an exec on Windows, and then Linux how you run. So, the way you interact with Rust as a developer is through cargo and the command line. So, all ROS programs are their own crates. Crates are just think packages. Individual programs, bits of code, etc. You can create a new crate by running a cargo new. And then if you go in there, it will create you a basic project with basically an empty main and a cargo toml file. This cargo toml file declares your package name, your version, your edition of cargo, basically which language version to use. So it's a bit more complicated than that, but yeah. It also you can also declare additional libraries and additional banners in the same crate. You also declare dependencies. I know this is compared to C++ or C. This is just so much better. You don't have to go on someone's website, download some shit, then install, then no things. You just add the package version, the packaging here, and it will be automatically downloaded into your project, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, then to run your then to compile your program, you just do cargo build. It will compile your program and check for errors, and as you can see, it will print out all things. Then you can do cargo run, and it will run your program. So yeah, that's it. Let's go. I get how cubic strings win. High learning. Fine. Also a high strongly depth. Hope I was helpful. Oh, Alice. Also, not just C++, but also C. Because just having this thing. First, it's just so good. If you do cargo build, what file extension is it though? And then it's kind of. Yes. It basically picks things found automatically for you, but you can also cross compile by simply appending target, and for example set it to Windows, and it will just cross compile for you. Yes, and this is another amazing feature of Rust. Cross compiling in C++. That was a nightmare. Holy fuck. I had to deploy an application once in C++. I see now. Perfect. C2, but C++ had a lot of craft on top of it too. Like, I need to find C more pleasant out of the two. But yes, I only use it when I don't really have other practical options. Like, I'm never writing an app in, for example. Yes, I agree. I only have a very limited experience with C. But I like it a lot more. Person. press okay. I forgot to unmute. But there is also the fact that tuning as instant library is pretty good. I can see that it is painful. As in those two methods you mentioned before. Okay. I find to see perfectly fun to writing apps. Use NTR and libraries. Paired back making their good luck thing. Yes, I was muted. But apps that so Lightning here develops his own engine in C because he's just old and set in his ways. I am just kidding, of course. Though actually, I think it may have been his words, and not mine. But yeah. So, now in add component. I can elaborate exactly why I'm using C in each project though. But it's really simple. But it's really simple when you should or should not use C. If you are working on an existing learning project, like for example in QS, you work on lib GTK, etc. There you should use C because that's what the company is in. If you are starting a new project, you should not use C. Like, no, not at all. Just throw that into the garbage. Okay. Yeah. But finding is in object library with a lot of API and not a lot of input. So I was putting a lot of errorhead expressing and maintaining that API, as well as depending on bindings that are often behind key. PyScar is again a G object library that defines interfaces, has no influence. Same as the bad in bursts. It links against emulators and the front end. Emulators, every single one I've seen so far are either C or C++. So a C lib is really to get working with it. Anything else, yeah. And the front end is not in C. Yep, exactly. Okay. Okay, so when we add a component, we are to get the required components. And then we are gonna iterate through that list. For in required that required in required self dot if not self I can actually just ignore this so now we have run into a problem. It is a major problem which we cannot solve in here. So therefore we are just gonna avoid the problem and and just so so we have the easiest option I see is to just throw an exception. It's just throw an exception if we don't find the components. However, writing a list of components I'm honestly not sure how we would go about that. Because we need to turn a generic list, which inherently does not preserve any type data. But within the original types. Therefore, the easiest option is to just sorry, I'm just thinking through the thing, through the design of the thing. So, we would obviously want components to interact with each other. For example, let's say we have a camera component. That camera component just starts some camera data. Like for example, everything being near, far, etc. Okay, so you put that component onto the thing, entity, and then we use that component to get the camera matrix thing and the projection matrix. Sure. However, it would require us to in order to get the last function, we would need to be able to get the transform from the camera. And it is complicated. Therefore, the easiest option, we need to be able to compare components from within the component. So we need to go the step up in the hierarchy, so to say. Okay. So I'm thinking the easiest point for to accomplish this is to have the entity reference inside the component. And yeah, I think we can do this. I think we can do this. We can put it into a cell. And yeah, and in theory, we don't need to update the thing. So yeah, okay, great. The third one I have is elastic. It can be in it's currently in Vala. Same as Highscore frontend. But to be honest, that one I could see using honest. It's minimalist. It's small enough I can use it as a learning playground. That'd be awesome. So what is Vala? I've never heard of that language. Oh, I see. It is this GNOME specific thing. But a sharp language specifically for chain object. Okay. I forgot to mute again. So, I'm out of tea. I'm gonna go make some tea real quick, and I'll just go to the bathroom quick. So, I'll be right back. just have. Okay, I'm back. I just have a lot of prior experience with Java and Sharp, and so I found Vala pretty much the easiest language to write. It's very much not perfect, but muscle memory. Yeah, I know the feel. And well, stuff like private things that are honestly the best of any bindings I've seen. Though I've seen some very promising development. Developments on Raspberry side. But I don't know if it's a list yet. Okay. Right, so we need any system for a company to have anything of its own. So I think here it will only be a something where where it will just have a thing. So I'm just thinking about a way that we could implement the required component system. So you know how we can define a type required. You know how we have this, right? What if we in our components just define this as a tuple? What if we define it as a tuple? No, but then we would need to process this thing. And not sure. Not sure. No. I think I'm just gonna So so there's a one issue here. Is we need to start the entity. The entity that inside the thing. And I'm just trying to think of a best way to do this. It's obvious in this. So here in the entity. Actually, we don't care about this part yet. So I'm gonna give myself more time to think, and in the meantime, implement just this thing. So it has a model, and I can use. Wait. Are you serious? I did this. I cannot do this because it is outside the crate. Okay. I'm moving this stuff. Into the light pane. ab source abstractions into source literally abstractions, and I'm gonna have to rename it obviously. But yeah. What are you talking about? There's this thing. I should probably just name this to a burning. What are you talking about? Abstract. Oh. Oh, I see. Of course. I'm stupid. There it is. Now we can see what are the issues. Sure. Oh shit. And then here we have an issue of any separation of this part and that part. Sure. Great. Okay. So we'll probably have to create a new grammar. In here. Yeah, because because yeah, we only care. Yeah, we are copying grammar into our library and have it defined as in public margin. Now we have two grammars. What are you talking about? And I do not have the. Excuse me? I do not have. What? Oh, it's an incorrect hierarchy. Oh, and I can make this part. Because I don't think that anymore because I have a thing I'm gonna also move this part and this part. So, no, this part is more complicated. Actually, I think I'm just gonna cannibalize this code and just move it into the thing. The music is really good, by the way, and I feel bad for never getting back to that tab. Yeah, the music is amazing. Jim DeCarr did some amazing job there. Did amazing job on the music, and yeah. Sorry, I'm just quit cartoning for some reason. So, where should we start this dot-on? I mean, outing. So, what we are gonna do? We are gonna take this card, and we are gonna take it into the thing. Into the mesh component. Okay, great. Abstractions device? What are you going? No. It's an abstraction. No. I don't want the library to have anything. This is hard. But then I also don't care specifically. This library is not intended for you to use. But sure. The library can have some state as a treat. Just a bit that. Just some essential things. By the way, if anyone wanted to team their Minecraft statement home, I would appreciate it. I mean, sort of, yes. But, I know. If someone wanted to redeem the any Minecraft streamer not redeem. So, we are cutting this part out. Actually, we are basically cannibalizing this entire thing. So, now we face the problem. because when we create a thing, actually we can have some additional state in here. So in here it has all of this stuff. We can take all of this stuff. But then also just have that an option. So an option would get annoying. I'm not sure. Actually, we are not gonna have anything public, and we'll just have one state variable. Initiation launched. We just input. Oh, it is not in mesh. It is in crate structures model mesh. Remove this part. Okay. So in the new function, we are only going to define the pointer playouts. Actually, we mean actually just don't do any GPU work at all, and just define everything as nothing, and do no work at all. And but if we move this into a set mode, which will also initialize the thing. How can I do a default? I need to implement default this one. Fine. Instinct will not be expressed anyways. I'm just gonna wrap them all in options. Sure. Oh, of course. Are you kidding? Okay, here we go. Excellent. Okay. By the way, Alex, do you want me to send you the album link? You can get it on Bandcamp. You want me to send you the album link? No worries. It is totally understandable. Yeah, it's the music. That is the unofficial version. But yes. I don't think I did. But basically, basically this for YouTube. And and you can also get it on Bandcamp if you want. I think it is. Oh. I'm back. Did I miss something cool? Nothing. Just me pondering how to just structure this thing and cannibalizing some of my previous code. Also, you can actually use this music in your streams, videos, etc. For free. So I'm still cutting it out because I'm just lazy. Right. Why are you complaining? Oh, because it is in a different module. I can create. And now I can set that. Actually, I can just do this. I can do this. This. And this. Okay. Instrument for and right. Need to. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, I can do this. This from Bunker. And finally, do this. Mason carrot. Thing of filling. Right. And finally, we need to define the bunker in here. Oh. Oh, we do not need it. We don't need it. We only need here, I think. Yes. Oh, of course. And we still have a ton of errors, but it's fine. Can I do this? I can keep our fun. Hi, Akahan. Hi. Hope you are doing great. This Wednesday. Thank you for that. Yet again. Yeah, that is just in cream every day of wonder. That audio inevitably will become bad. Or was it something about the modern nature of human existence, or something like that? Yes, I'm being fun-ish. But that's good. I hope that each part isn't doing a lot of work. It's a form of cheating. Nothing, if you mean. And okay. Or perhaps a crime reminder. Yep. The fleeting nature of existence. Oh, I forgot about that part. I need to hurry. Be right back. But not be right back. I need to real quick fix that thing. Because it's annoying me. So I've been sipping a lot more, and I think my voice is feeling a lot better now. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Okay. I have this. I just remembered. I have some very stupid commands. For example, I have this. No. I have this, which is green. I also have this, which is a bit dark. I need to fix that. Okay, here we go. Much better. I just have this. Does it do anything though? No, it doesn't do anything. Oh, speaking of which, it now just does this thing. I just have this. Oh, and a few more. Oh, and one of my favorite things. It's fun. It's fun. And finally, this typical comment I have. Oh, I just have that apparently. Yeah. yeah, absolutely. I absolutely love that comment. That quote. Okay, so we are gonna have a few methods on our mesh thing. So we need to start in reference to the thing. Since this thing of things thing, we can just have it as a plain reference, I assume. Because a component will always outlive its entity. But we'll see if the parachecker complains. Entity. Reference to entity, which is by default I think we can pass the entity reference in here. And just assume that all the components can pick up the entities. How can you do this? It's a reference. So I'm just gonna put an option again. Lifetime is not specified. Okay, I do need a new lifetime. There we go with lifetime. Okay. So this is a bad idea. It has in lifetime. Oh, this will be a nightmare. with the bar checker. Ah, it's fun. It needs a lifetime. Uh, just no, you cannot. So, oh, I'm stupid. I can just, I am. I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. I am not making the same mistake again. This mistake is happening here. But it's not a mistake. We have in anything of this. We have entity, which is in reference to entity in here. And can I pass the self? Sure. Sure. Excuse me? No, what are you? How did I even manage to make such an idiotic mistake? I am doing an initialization here, and then dumping all that bark and creating a new thing over again. Like, what even? I just don't know how to comprehend, like, even being able to make such a stupid mistake. Like, it's fun. It's fun. Like, I mean, as well just let this entire function blink. Like, I am upset. I'm upset with myself. How did I even? Thank you, Alice. I'm just more curious, I guess. But like, what was I even thinking? Oh. I just like it's just completely fun that issue occurred, and that I got that issue, but I just I just can't comprehend how that could possibly happen ever. Oh, and I need a lifetime care. So I'm gonna implement with in lifetime care. Yes, they are meant to be. Sure, I'm gonna name this lifetime being. Have them found not satisfied. Oh, let's do this. Let's need to do this. Must outlive the static left. Oh, I see. No, this is a problem. Because we obviously cannot have static entities. Entities are meant to be dynamic. But the component itself. Excuse me? Where are you talking about static? The type is static. Since you would not have this problem in C. Then, 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 then. It's tight. How's speaking C++? C++ with ADHD. Who has time for that? There is work to be done. I can. Then. 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 I was going to threaten you with something. But I don't have anything right now. But yeah. Consider yourself threatened. please pretend like I have but pretend like I have produced an elaborate and scary threat. Okay, so we are fucked. So basically, the projector decided to decided it was not going to let us have the thing. The projector is of course it's fun. It is fun. It is fun. The projector is a king. I'm not going to complain about the projector. But I'm playing with this lifetime. But if I add a static lifetime in here, just define the component as static. And then add in thinker. But of course it takes changing our lifetime arguments. Therefore we can onto this. If it's static. No. Lifetime parameter instantaneous with a lifetime in as defined here. Note, but lifetime parameter must outline with the static lifetime. How I see. Check GitHub for /quick source code. Use code. Profit? I mean, have you made any profit yet? But yeah. So, this is a major issue in here. Why are you unsatisfied? Because it's not in. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. Fine. I don't care about this one. I can use an RC. I don't care about that. We are passing in an RC. We are saying in reference counting thing and getting rid of this lifetime stuff. But it should work in theory. So an unlinking entity is said to be a new reference to think entity. I think great. So of course it may not have checked out. Of course, sure. It needs to be a sum. But actually this RC has a default value. Okay. Can... This is stupid, but can you have... No, of course not. No, then we'll have issues with destroying the entity. I mean, we shouldn't have issues with destroying the entity, because... No, we do have issues with destroying the entity. And we cannot pass the bad value. Can we just reference the thing? Yes, it's behind the shared reference. I mean, ideally, we would just put in reference. But then the company complicates things. We can just add in lifetime parameter. Okay. And just don't worry about it. Let's add in lifetime parameter. Which is this. And this. But then we, of course, have this issue. And it is... No, I don't care about that. Oh, are you fucking kidding? I just do not care about the content. You did it 65. Thank you for following this absolute mess of a stream. And thank you, Alice. I No, this is... So... Honestly, I'm not sure what to do here. Because... Lifetimes... There gotta be a solution to this issue. Because it has indifferent noting. Yeah. don't have an entity. So therefore we must have a lifetime. This is simple. I'm just gonna put it behind an option again. And just do a thing. And it should be as easy as this, in theory. But have been encountered in problem. And I'm not sure if this problem is solvable in here. Actually, I said that syntax. Of course, didn't have lifetime pound not specified in here. So, what's that lifetime? So I think only point forward further to do this is to have one lifetime in the compound. But then of course we have all those issues. I didn't make this and this. So let's start with this. What do you mean satisfied? I stuff. Let him pattern satisfying. What do you mean? But I just don't see the Can we have also into here? Which is just complicated. So, I think the easiest, you know what? Fuck all this, think lifetime and stuff. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! So, my idea. It is stupid, but instead of having lifetimes, we just have a big lookup table, essentially. So instead of starting our friends, we just start an entity ID, essentially. But I also didn't limit it to have one word. So therefore, we must have an entity word ID system. Like, sure, whatever. Sure. 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 This will simplify a whole bunch of things. But this also means that the labeling itself has an internal state. And that is just not good. I don't want to have sting in the library. At least as little sting as possible. Think this here is acceptable. Because it's I mean, in theory I can just slap it to any single world. Not sure. Not sure. Okay, so I can have some sting in here. Public static. World. Sure. For now, I can have just one world. And it's gonna be in one state. I need an internal mutability. Sure. We need some internal mutability, which we can do with a cell. Oh. Once cell. Oh, and we still have to remove that part. Oh. Okay, here it is. And we can remove this part and change it to be entity. I think it's basically entity. Oh, it is the entity code. QID. No, the entity module. Okay. And here we can just make this part. And I mean, I'm just gonna move this part entirely. Here, just because I'm lazy. Entity ID is of type entity QID. And move this part. Ramon in the playlist. we are on the infernal catharsis. So, just an FYI, the next song after this song contains some actual lyrics. So yeah. I can admit this and this and this. So very compelling, but you don't need to meet shared between threads. So the only ones. I do not care about safety. Oh. I do not care about thread signal. Actually, can I just do this? No, I need some sort of global. Can I just use a sub? No, I need to use a once cell. Why are you complaining about? One cell is not supposed to be shared between threads safely. I'm not asking you to share it between threads safely. Oh, they must have in type. Okay. So I do have to use in one slot. But then we have this issue. Can we just put you in a mutex? I really don't want to deal with mutexes. What are you talking about? Oh, I see. I don't want to deal with mutexes here. But I think I just have to put it in arc mutex if I want to make it global. I think it's the other thing. What are you talking about? Oh, I see. It's because of this. And can I just do this? Sure. Hi, Naya. Hi. I am fighting the barrage guard now. And sweet. This is just wonderful. King. This is just stupid, but Eternal Fight Programmer vs Compiler. Indeed. But yeah, hope you are doing this Wednesday. What are you talking about? Then for evidence cabinet to have cell box dynamic component. Printing we have thing are seen. In the world. Just basically doing a plinkett planes of RC with arc. Okay. And in here too. And in here too. And we're pulling out the matrices again. I'm doing some child playing for Amsterdam. So ping in and out. But thank you for standing by. Gonna have to do some child playing myself soon ish. And well, I'm absolutely terrified, honestly. What are you talking about? Can't be sent between. Oh, I see. Entity. Getting trapped in Amsterdam. Battle there once every other month for a few things. But once every other month for a few things. I see. Can I just send in here? And P. Repeating the third safely. F cell empty. F cell. Oh, are we doing mutixes now? We are doing mutixes now. Data in static send data. First. What are your child plans? You know? Or is it about the permanent child? Yeah, it's the permanent child con. It is. Yeah. As you can imagine, it is terrifying. What are you talking about? If the type entity. Do I have to make it a mutex? I don't want to have to make it mutex. I don't want to just sprinkle mutexes everywhere. I hate mutexes. I don't hate phoenixes, but I also don't need to make it multi-thread. Yeah, yeah. That's true, Alice. So I'm gonna leave it at that. But yeah, it is. Yeah. It's gonna be a thing. No, this is stupid. So, why do you care about this? No, I'm. So I want to have in global sector, in global world, but I just had some other plans. No, I'm not doing this thing. Fuck you. I'm not doing this. You are gonna be. No. You are gonna be. No, nonsense. And you're gonna like it. Okay. Energy also. Okay. How do I do this thing? I'm. Yes, this is indeed the hardship most dire. Very appropriate music for this. So, how can you do this? I want to put you an equal thing, but I don't want you to access you between threads. If I put you in a mutex, you should be fun. But obviously, I'm gonna be putting the mutex inside. However, it's of course not doing the thing I wanted to do, and because that cannot be sent between threads safely. So we need some other thing. Someone smart must have come across this problem before. They must have. But maybe I should just give in and just sprinkle Archimedes everywhere. I mean, what's the difference between a Refson and a mutex? But in case one, but there is one difference. when the website is tries to be mutable, but it is not repaired, it'll panic or return an error. And Unix will just wait. So I am stupid. I am stupid. I'm actually stupid. Because there's a type specifically for that. But it is sent. It is sent. It is sent. What are you talking about? This is not sent. Oh, I'm not. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. Let's go to here. Fuck you. You piece of shit. I should stop being angry. I should stop being angry. I'm not angry. I'm fun. It's fun. So, what's next? RC website box. In the of course, sure. Visit R2 arc. Sure. What's next? One slug. Dynamic component plus static. Sure. Sure. I don't care. Implement your stupid sin. Simple. But why can you not be shared safely between threads? The trace is not implemented for herself. Right. Oh, of course. What do you mean can you need sync? But then, sure. Here you go. So anything. Right, luck. Sure. Okay. We're getting there. I should stop being angry. Bar checker that is bar checker. Stupid fucking piece of shit bar checker. Fun change in Linux on architecting. Kitty. Definitely kitty. Because if I go into my Linux config and try to go far on a craft, as you can see, it found nothing. But if I search for this was stupid. Thank you for the sip, Alice. It won't change font though. It should. Like, I don't have anything in here about the font. But if I go into my kitty config, it's in config. Kitty.conf. Here, in fonts. I just send the font family to, I think here. But that's the name it wants, then. It wants the font family. No, I don't want font forge. I don't have that. One moment. One moment. Oh, come on. Oh, you piece of shit. Fonts. Oh, of course. So, if I go to search for Bonecraft, it wants this thing in here. This thing you see here. So if I go for Consolas, if I have that font, yes, it would want this thing capitalized. Oops. I did do that. That, and it's not wrong. Are you sure though? Are you sure though? Did you spell it correctly? Did you use the correct thing? So many errors. So many errors. So many errors. So what do you mean? So the entities that move. So I cannot take it. Oh, I can. Oh, I cannot into inner. And let's hope it's not poisoned. Because if it is poisoned, then okay. What do you mean? Bird. Oh. Instead of bird, I think we need to use I didn't need ink to consume it. Yeah, I just need to borrow the thing. and I borrow it as an entity. What do you mean then? What do you think? Yes, yes. Yes, in case you are wondering, my mental fortitude is fading. This perfectly just summarizes how I'm feeling, but not feeling. I turn into inner unwrap. Mm-hmm. And instead of putting RC, it turns an arc to a redrart cell, redrart block. Okay, so now we only have the excuse me? Excuse me. But what in the actual fuck is this? Okay, let's see. There's advancement one right there, but ever did that don't care. Oh, I think I can do this. Oh, I need to unwrap the thing. Okay, here we go. I mean, at this point, instead of doing all this nonsense, we might as well just implement an additional thing. But no, then we would have to deal with other BS and... It's a thing. It is a thing. It is a hot thing. And I didn't want to deal with it, to be honest. Not right now, at least. Being read and unwrap it. And insert pretending to be an arcade block. Read and unwrap it. I should get some bug done before I sleep. See you later. Oh, okay. Bye then. Good luck with work. And I'm getting very hungry. I'm getting very hungry right now. So I think I'm gonna be ending the stream in just a little bit. Like, I'm getting hungry to the point where it's just becoming uncomfortable. You know what? Whatever. I'm gonna deal with this later. I am gonna make income, and it is. I just can describe how it is. This right here is how things are right now. And you fucking mess. And I don't care. It's fun. I'll fix it. So, on this I'll be eating because oh my fucking god. I need to go eat something or I'm gonna eat someone. And not in a sexy way. So, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Reading settings, of course. Because why not? And yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I need to appreciate it. I'll be back on Friday the 15th. But not with coding. But hopefully with Dyson Sphere program. I think on Friday the new TLC releases. Which is just, but not TLC, a new update. Which is just a massive thing. And just a huge thing. And I'll be streaming exclusively that until I beat that game. So, yeah, this is probably the last coding stream of this year. No. So, yeah. Once again, thank you and bye. Oh shit. Actually, bye. For fuck's sake. Bye. Bye.